Okay, so somehow I've managed to qualify on pole, F4. Very quick track this. Let's just see if we can get away.
Green flag, green flag.
Not too bad. Okay, guys behind are all defending their places. Let's just get around this first lap. Get the tyres up to temperature if we can. I can't afford to take it steady because they'll just absolutely murder me. So I've got to go for it. Just got to be careful here. So it'd be easy to go off there.
Car ride.
Christ, don't bloody go there, mate. That's a bit ambitious. Okay, we're going. We're first. Boss Patel. That's a worrying name for someone challenging, isn't it? Up the inside.
54.082.
Yeah, I don't like him being there. Okay. Well, we're still going. He's right there, though, isn't he?
Right.
Bloody hell.
Keep to the left. Clear.
Well, I just had to give him room, didn't I? Because he was coming through whatever I did. Okay, well, we've got the slipstream now. Let's see if that helps us.
48.731. Car ride.
I mean, we were on poles. We've got a bit of pace, but clearly...
Still there. Clear on the right. Right side. Clear. Car ride. Clear.
Well, they didn't give me any room, did they?
They say you cut the course. You'll have to slow down and give up the time gained. Right side.
Have we got a lot of damage? What do we reckon?
Clear on the right. You've got damage in the midsection. Slow car ahead.
Okay, damage in the midsection, but we're still going.
It's probably slowing you a lot.
Okay, well... Yeah, they weren't giving any space there, were they? Bloody hell. Let's see what we can make of it. 4X as well, not what we wanted. So I don't know where the aero damage is, but we're still going. Even on pole, you get taken out, don't you?
2.295.
I don't know if we're slow in a straight line. We seem to be keeping up okay. Where are we? 8. He must have been going around there flat out. I couldn't seem to go around there flat out. I don't know why. Anyway, going flat out now. Let's see where we are.
48.059. New fastest lap for you. The car in P2. Just set the fastest lap. 47.
Okay, he outbraked himself.
2. Car on your left.
We made a mess of that, didn't we, unfortunately?
Stay on the left. Clear on the right.
Bloody hell, we're taking off there. We're taking off. Ah, okay, well, got some people coming out of the pits.
P1, just set the fastest lap. 47.549. Still there, go left. 48.58.
These back markers are not helping, are they?
Car right, clear, 2 wide, clear on the left.
Bloody hell, how much damage have we got now?
That car is a lap down. Car on your left, clear on the left.
They're really getting in the way, aren't they? Now we're 10th.
There's an incident ahead. You got a slow car on the left. Go right.
People are just going for moves where there isn't space, aren't they?
3 seconds.
I don't know what's going on.
48.248. 50.777.
Okay, this red car seems to be struggling a bit. We were able to keep up with him anyway. He's on the grass. This is all a bit tight.
Stupid idiot!
You got a slow car on the right.
Oh dear.
Listening to head. Go right.
Hey! Okay, well.
47.966.
This red car seems to be struggling a little bit, I think. So yeah, that red car is really struggling. We need to get by him, really. And our aero damage doesn't seem to have damaged us too much, really. Yeah, it would be nice to get by if we could.
What were they testing?
48.505. Left side. Clear on the left.
He must have some damage because he's struggling in that corner.
6 seconds.
Okay, got a car coming up behind us now.
Secret telemetry data.
Yeah, they're definitely holding us up, these two.
.546. Car on your left. Still there.
Okay, I'll take that one.
Clear on the left. Car stopped on the right.
Somebody else off. Don't know who that is. A back marker by the looks of it.
That car is a lap down.
Okay, let's get after this red car. Away from this guy behind me. He's going to go, isn't he?
Right side. 48.256. Still there, hold your line. Still there, hold your line. Clear. Left side. Clear.
Try and encourage him into a mistake if we can. Another back marker.
48.962.
Fuck off, you little fucking dickhead. Faen, ass.
Oh dear. Oh dear.
$20,000, please.
Okay, I don't know how long we got left. Not long.
The leader is running 47.871.
Okay.
48.348.
I mean, that's a back marker. Why has he not let that red car by? I think he would, wouldn't you? Is he letting him by now? Yeah, looks like it. Is he going to get in our way? Probably. Yeah, where are we? There's not many people left, are there?
48.048.
Has he gone back past the red car, has he? They're not racing. Oh, that's getting in his way, isn't it? And he's going to get caught now.
White flag. One more lap.
Okay, one more lap. We're a bit far back, aren't we, really? Are we going to be able to do anything or not?
48.176.
See if these two ahead do anything silly. We'll be there to pick up the pieces. Doesn't look like it, does it? It's a shame. Oh well. 7th, we have to take that.
The car in P1.
Not good from pole, really, but
47.536.
I guess we'll have to take it.
You got a slow car on the right.
We'll have to take it.
Checkered flag,
Let's have a look
checkered
at some of those incidents then. Okay, here's the start then. So let's just see what happened. So I got a decent start, not too much wheel spin. So yeah, they were sort of challenging behind, which was good for me because I was able to just focus on what's in front of me. So I'm not taking too many risks, but going as quick as I felt safe to do. Got a decent gap, haven't we? I was a bit slower through here, I think, but got a good exit here. Number 5, clearly very quick. This is Boss Patel. I think this is the guy that won. He had a bit more pace than me, and he was not afraid to have a go, was he? Look at him. See, I mean, I wasn't slow through there, I didn't think, but that put me off. I mean, Christ, it's a bit early in the race to be making those sorts of moves. Okay, so he gets to wheel up the inside. I let him go because I can see I'm not going to be able to beat him to the apex, and there's no point crashing. So he's gone, he's in front, and then I'm trying to pick up his slipstream, and I've got these two behind, and I think this is the lap where it all goes horribly wrong. So obviously they're pressuring, they're coming up the inside. Brake as late as I can, give space. So he hits the curb, and he's just drifting wide, isn't he? Hits the curb again, drifts into me, and I get hit a couple of times. So that was a little bit unfortunate. Then let's look at what happens after that. And I think it's like a couple of laps later. So got number 2 coming up the inside. Can't defend against that. He's got the slipstream. So we're just side by side. I'm way out wide. I mean, yeah. Yeah, they didn't give a lot of room, did they? Anyway, yeah, felt worse in the car. Let's have a look at those results. Okay, before we look at the results, let's have a look at the other incidents. So this was behind, so the 3 of them are together. And they're just, yeah, a bit of a bump there. This is my incident here. Yeah, different view. I mean, I tried to give them as much room as I could. Oh, that was unlucky. Oh dear, 3 of them. 4, 5 of them. Oh, 6. Oh dear. Oh dear. He just got that wrong, didn't he? Had the wrong line, and oh, he put the wall there. Unlucky. And this was my other incident, wasn't it? Yeah, I mean, he should have taken a tighter line, I think. I was there. Anyway. And what have we got here? Red and... Oh, yeah, well, that was his fault. Tried to take him where he shouldn't have done, and he went all over the curb. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Oh, unlucky. I mean, that's unlucky, isn't it? That's unlucky. Well, he should be holding his brakes. Why is he just rolling across the track? And then what's this one? Yeah, that's easy to do. Get light. Okay, he's going again. Oh. Was that afters? God, there's a lot of incidents. Oh dear. Just a bit of oversteer. Oh dear. Oh! It's just... Oh. Yeah, could he have held his brakes? Another Red Bull car. Yeah, that curb's not the best place to be, really. Okay then, so this was second split out of 5. Lost a bit of safety rating, but gained some high rating. So, yeah, could have been better. Could have been worse. So, best lap of 47.8. So, it wasn't too far away. I mean, I was on pole, so I did have the pace. Yeah, disappointing. Disappointing. Should have done better. Anyway, if you enjoyed that, then do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe see you next time on the track.